At the break of dawn, our planet issues a desperate call for assistance, confronted by unprecedented challenges that undermine the essence of our existence. We find ourselves at a pivotal moment where environmental degradation looms large over lands once vibrant with life. The specter of climate change has escalated natural catastrophes, inflicting scars that will burden generations. The loss of precious species each day marks a disturbing unraveling of biodiversity, threatening the equilibrium of ecosystems that have stood the test of millennia. This plea for aid is also an urgent summons to action to address the dire straits of our home, teetering on the edge of irreversible damage. Yet amidst this somber narrative resonates a glimmer of hope. Our journey uncovers the pioneering solutions and strategies devised globally, heralding a sustainable future where humanity and nature exist in harmony. Our narrative will next segue into the innovators spearheading this transformative journey towards sustainability. This unfolding story introduces a revitalizing chapter, spurred by innovation and human determination. Against a backdrop of environmental adversity, visionaries map routes toward a sustainable existence, reimagining our collective destiny. The pivot to renewable energy sources epitomizes this revolution, with wind turbines and solar panels anchoring a burgeoning clean energy era. Sustainability penetrates agriculture as well, where pioneering practices nurture the soil, safeguard ecosystems, and ensure food security for posterity, minimizing water use and chemical dependence. Waste management innovations redefine our resource interaction, transforming discarded materials into valuable assets. Each stride in this transformative process not only signifies human ingenuity and resilience, but also opens vistas of potential, guiding us towards a dawn where our planet does more than merely survive, it thrives. As we tread into the promise of tomorrow, guided by today's wisdom and actions, let's contemplate the possibilities that lie ahead. Perched on the edge of transformative change, sustainable living entices with a vision of a flourishing planet echoing through generations. It's a vision transitioning from dream to reality, fueled by global efforts in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and waste management innovations. These initiatives, supported by collective endeavor, sculpt a narrative of hope, emphasizing that this brighter future is within our reach. It's a future envisioned with cleaner air, thriving ecosystems, and a seamless coexistence of humanity and nature, crafted through our shared commitments. As we conclude this chapter, let's continue to embody the spirit of sustainability, illuminating our journey towards a legacy of environmental stewardship. Our collective actions today are the keystones for a tomorrow marked by sustainability and resilience. Together, let's craft this masterpiece, ensuring a harmonious coexistence for generations to come.